Hello, hope you are doing good and welcome back on our video on Docker installation on Linux-based systems. So here we are using Red Hat 7 as a reference. Installation can happen manually by downloading the package locally on system, or you can simply configure a correct software repository and install the software. A more advanced way can be by writing all the steps in a code, like an infrastructure as a code method, and deploy it by some scripted method or any configuration management tool like Ansible. So starting with the deployment stuff. Now, it always a good practice that you should first clean the older version or the older piece of software. So let's first remove that. Now post it, let's install a yum utils software so that it would eventually provide us a yum config manager command that is going to help us to download and configure the required repository. Now just you can simply paste this command which is given and you can validate whether the correct repository is downloaded or not. Now once the repository is there, just simply copy paste the commands to download the required Docker software. It may take few seconds depending on your internet speed. So I'm pausing the video and we'll be back when it's downloaded. So now it's downloaded, just start the service. So you can see an option like enable ---- now. So it will start the service and configure it to auto start during a boot, where you don't have to manually start it. And with simple status command, you can validate the status. Now the Docker is installed. So there's no harm in running a sample container. So this command is also given in the official Docker website. So you can see it's not able to find the image locally. Now it's going to Docker Hub and downloading the required image for us and running a container out of it. You will find a sample display that will confirm those same steps. So now it's done. You can also validate the version using Docker version command. This command will not run from the local user. So you have to make your user part of the Docker group. My bad, I mistakenly ran the command on the basically the Docker user, but it's a group actually. So you just have to find the group and add your user to that. So all that is from my end in this video. Do test that and install in your environment and do share your feedbacks. Thanks for being such a nice audience. Have a nice day.